Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a lace bundle share that was gifted to me in some Happy Mail, and I absolutely am like so excited. It's beyond exciting. I was gifted this lace bundle by DCScrappinRooster on YouTube. She has some beautiful bundles over there that y'all can buy. She does sales over there, and she has the most amazing things. I've watched her videos, and it's just so beautiful. She gifted me these, oh my gosh, like look at this. I took it all out of the box and put it in here, and oh my gosh, it's like, this is so gorgeous. You get like bling and jewels and this beautiful, I don't even want to take it apart because it's so cute. Vintage looking. Some of it might be coffee dye, but a lot of it looks vintage to me. Oh, and it's just amazing. I want to put this over here so I can put this down here on this white so you can see it. Look at this. Some of them I have never seen before. And I've seen a lot of laces. And yeah. Look at this one. Oh. I've had this for like a month or so now. And I just haven't had time to make a video. But I want to use it. So here I am making the video so I can use this cute stuff. Look at that. Oh. So gorgeous. And she does videos over there. I think she just did one a couple weeks ago on some bundles, and they're truly amazing. Seriously, you guys will not, she will not disappoint, because there's some beautiful things. Ah! I'm so ecstatic over this. Look at all these cute little doilies. I've never seen some of these before. I have these and I love them, but some of these ones never seen before. And look at all that you get in this little thing. She had beautiful big bundles over there. Yeah, fabric and lace. Oh, look at all these little cute fabrics. Oh my goodness. So, I love that. So cute. And you get a lot in these little bundles. A lot. It's beyond. Now, I'm never going to be able to make this as cute as she did. You know me and my bundling. And look at these. Put this over here. Look at this bundle of goodness. Look at all those blings and pearly things. And let me try to get this open. I know this is probably a lot of racket right there, but I didn't want to really open it until I opened it on a video. Oh my goodness. Look at these leaves. Oh, so amazing. Some roses. Look at these. I've never seen these before. These are so cute. Oh, or some little pearly bows. There's white and cream. Look at these little bows. Oh, I hope you can see those. Then there's hearts. Oh, and there's a different, is that different color? I don't know. I think they're smaller. Different bows and hearts and pink trims with pearlies in there. Oh my goodness. And she shows you, she opens it all up and shows you everything that you get. She counts it out, and it's, oh, these are pretty. Ooh, these are amazing. Oh my god. Ooh, seam binding. Look at all those beautiful colors. Shabby colors. Look at these cute little roses. Ooh, that's going to be, I have to make me a shabby journal now, because all of this, oh, it's like being in heaven. It truly is. Oh, look at this one. This one would be amazing for like a wedding. She blessed me big time. And I've been sitting on this for a while because I've been so busy and couldn't make a video. But I can't take it anymore. I want to be able to use this. But I wanted to be able to share this with you first. Because, yeah. Look how beautiful she puts this. She puts them in here so fancy. Love these. Look at that butterfly. Little hearts and flowers. So cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so ecstatic. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Look at all this cute little trim here. Cute little white fabric. Oh, this would be good for a wedding. It really would. Oh my gosh. Truly gorgeous. You guys just have to go over there and you have to see all of her beautiful kits. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Undo it like that so you can really see. There is so much in this. And so beautiful. Oh my gosh. She really, she blessed me big time, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take out a couple of these because I want you to see this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You could cut this apart or use it as is. Oh my goodness. I won't take each and every one out because it's so beautiful the way it is. I don't want to ruin it, and it will take me forever on the video, but I want you to please go over there and check her out. Oh my goodness. I don't know where she gets all this beautiful stuff, but I can't even get into this one right now, but look at all that yumminess. That is to die for right there. Truly. I will link her below in the description box to her YouTube channel, and you have to scoot over there and check her out if you don't already, because look at that. I've never seen these. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get into this one real quick. Oh, here's one that fell. Look at this. Some more resin flowers and bling right there. Oh, I'm in heaven. Seriously. I cannot wait to make a boho journal with this. You can cut this all apart. So pretty. Oh, a variety of colors in there. Truly amazing. Look at these cute little guys. I've made these before and they are not easy to make. I'm telling you that. So cute. I love those cotton flowers. Some big old bling. Blingity bling. Amazing for charms. Here's some more resin flowers. Oh yeah. Super. Oh, here's a big old pretty. Oh, that is going to be so pretty. Look at these buttons. Oh my gosh. Again, DCScrappinRooster on YouTube. You will not be disappointed. I want to get into this so I can just at least show you a little bit in here. I'm going to get it out of there so it doesn't... Oh, there, I found it. Finally, I found it. I just got to show you a couple. Ah, this is some yumminess right here. Look at that prettiness. Cute. You can cut these apart. So cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Truly to die for. I think I have some of this. Oh yeah, I do. Because I have these flowers and I've cut it all apart. Oh, love it. at this one. Oh, look at the little flowers. I love the little flowers. And you could even cut this little flower out and use this as snippets. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I love this. I like it because there's different colors too. A lot of mine are either cream or white. I don't have like a variety of different colors anymore. I've used so much of it, I should say. And see how these ones are different colors? I love that. So amazing. And she gives you a lot. So worth the money, let me tell you. Look at that beautiful, beautiful yumminess. Love it. So yeah, again, DCScrappinRooster on YouTube. And you can pick yourself up one of these bundles because they go super fast. So you gotta make sure you click the bell, and so you'll know when she uploads, so you can get one while they're available, because yeah, they go super fast, I've noticed. So if you would like to get yourself one of these yummy bundles, look at that one. I don't even want to undo that because it's so beautiful. But yeah, please go check her out and give her some support, because yeah, she has some wonderful things. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, go check her out. I'll leave the description or link to her channel in the description below. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.